When it comes to navigating the dynamic world of work, the INFP Mediator and the ENFP Campaigner bring their unique strengths and perspectives to the table. Let's delve into the intriguing face-off between these two personality types and explore their work styles. Firstly, let's shine the spotlight on the INFP Mediator. Picture a compassionate soul, someone who values harmony and authenticity in all aspects of life. Mediators are deeply introspective individuals who excel in creative pursuits. They are driven by their inner values and are often found championing causes they believe in. At work, they thrive in environments that allow for self-expression and creativity. Whether it's through writing, art, or counseling, mediators bring a unique blend of empathy and imagination to their tasks. Now, let's turn our attention to the ENFP Campaigner. They are the charismatic whirlwinds of energy, bursting with enthusiasm and ideas. Campaigners are natural-born inspirers, capable of rallying others around their vision. They are highly adaptable individuals who excel in brainstorming sessions and thrive in dynamic environments. At work, they are often the ones leading the charge, igniting passion and excitement among their team members. Their optimism and infectious energy make them a joy to work with, and they excel in roles that require innovation and forward thinking. In terms of teamwork, the INFP Mediator tends to bring a calming presence to the table. They are excellent listeners and mediators, adept at resolving conflicts and fostering understanding among team members. Mediators prefer collaborative environments where everyone's opinions are valued and creativity is encouraged. On the other hand, the ENFP Campaigner brings a sense of excitement and energy to team dynamics. They are natural collaborators who thrive on bouncing ideas off others and exploring new possibilities. Campaigners are adept at keeping morale high and building strong connections within the team. When it comes to decision-making, the INFP Mediator relies heavily on their intuition and inner values. They prefer to take their time to weigh all options carefully, ensuring that their decisions align with their personal principles. In contrast, the ENFP Campaigner is more spontaneous and adventurous in their decision-making approach. They trust their instincts and are not afraid to take risks in pursuit of their goals. In conclusion, both the INFP Mediator and the ENFP Campaigner bring invaluable qualities to the workplace. Mediators excel in fostering creativity and harmony, while campaigners thrive in inspiring and motivating others. By embracing the unique strengths of each personality type and fostering collaboration, teams can create a dynamic and supportive work environment where everyone can thrive and succeed.